The Galaxy DX-959B mobile CB radio delivers reliable, long-range performance with both amplitude modulation and single sideband modes that appeal to casual drivers and serious operators alike. Its large illuminated meter and bold blue frequency and channel readouts make it very easy to monitor signal strength, standing wave ratio, and power levels at a quick glance while driving. The backlit StarLite faceplate with selectable blue or red lighting keeps the controls readable at night without being harsh on the eyes, which is especially helpful on long hauls. Built-in tools like the automatic standing wave ratio protection, high standing wave ratio warning light, and variable power output give users confidence when tuning antennas and running different setups. Noise reduction features such as the Galaxy Noise Filter, Noise Blanker, Automatic Noise Limiter, and adjustable talkback help keep audio clear even in noisy or weak signal conditions. A full-size chassis with straightforward knobs, separate controls for microphone and radio frequency gain, and support for an external speaker or public address use make this radio practical and flexible for many installations.